This picture is a colored photo that shows a friend's meeting. They are having that meeting in a house, in the living room of that house. And maybe the house belonged to one of them. In the picture, I can see two groups of people. One of them is made by two men and one girl. This group is at the bottom of the picture. And the girl is playing the guitar, and the two men enjoy that, I suppose. The two men are wearing a checked t-shirt, and one of them is wearing a red pants, and the other is wearing a black pants, and the girl is wearing a black dress. The other groups, it is at the top on the right, and it's made by two girls and one man. They are having a conversation, and the man is wearing a white t-shirt, but I can see the color of his pants. One of the girls is wearing a black and white dress, and I could see what is wearing the other girl because I could see her body, but I suppose that she's wearing a white dress. And for finish, in the photo in the middle on the right, I can see a watch, and at the bottom I can see some bottles, and on the left I can see a plant, and that's all.